Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. It's a Monday and we're going to be talking about 3 elements for your My Legion secret journey that I think is going to be important for you to add in your email marketing. So let's hop onto my computer and share with you some more. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're all My Legion secreters, I know that you come back to the channel to watch quite frequently what are the updates. So I'm really happy to share with this strategy with you. It's kind of a continuation of the previous versions, or if you haven't seen any of my strategies related to My Legion Secret, guys, check the playlist in the description of this video. As I mentioned, this channel is all about creating awareness, sharing with you guys strategies. On a Monday, I like to talk about My Legion Secret specifically because it is the catalyst that I use to start to generate a cash flow and also basically to create a funded proposal for myself with affiliate marketing. This is primarily what the purpose is. I use it for that, and it's not to get you rich. It's not to get you whatever amount of money that you want, but it is a catalyst to much greater things, in my opinion. And I love My Legion Secret, to be honest, and this is why I talk about it and share with you guys different strategies. So today, what are we going to be looking at? We're going to look at 3 email marketing elements that are really important in 2024, but also I'm going to give you guys an update. So the 3 elements will be using, I'm not going to share with you anymore. I'm going to get into it in a second. We'll look at those, but let's just cover what My Legion Secret is. If you're new here and you're watching this video for the first time, doing your due diligence, whether you want to get My Legion Secrets, confused about the opinion that's there in the space, well, let me tell you this. My Legion Secret is basically a product that delivers 100 to 200 leads every single day to you. That is the purpose of it. They do not guarantee you any sales. They do not guarantee you anything else but delivering those 100 to 200 leads every day. We as marketers are responsible for the efforts and the copy that we share, the email marketing strategies that we do in order for us to convert those leads into sales. So please stop, guys. I've seen it so many times happening in the past, but whenever we're advertising, whatever advertising method, structure, element, etc., whether it's My Legion Secret, Facebook ads, Google ads, we as marketers are the key conversion points that we need to really look at, rather than is the product or service good for me or not. Now obviously we want to look at quality leads. So My Legion Secret, are these quality leads? Well, they're not the best quality leads, but they're not the worst quality leads as well. They are basically co-registration leads, meaning that they are leads that are basically subscribed to an email marketing campaign from one of the trusted sources, and that trusted sources is My Legion Secret, and we are allowed to promote to these leads based on the fact that they have a subscribe and they're okay with receiving promotional emails from other people. However, I would suggest please don't send promotional emails, and this is going into the first element of my email marketing tactic or strategies related to My Legion Secrets. But let me go ahead and share with you my strategy in itself. This is just a part of my strategy, guys. It is step 1. It is how to build a cash flow. This is all I do. It's a very simple process. If you have time and you have a full-time job like myself, then you can do this. It is not my main hustle, guys. It is my side hustle. Know that. And my full-time job and what I do and what I love is still there. I am using affiliate marketing, though, because you're in 2024, you need to have something on the side, and this is what I'm personally doing. That being said, let's go ahead and just look at the elements that I wanted to talk about. So the first element that I wanted to share with you, email marketing strategies, is related to tools. So you can use tools like Claude AI or Chatgpt, guys, to write your emails for you, and this is going to be a big advantage. Now, as I mentioned, My Legion Secrets delivers leads. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention how much it costs. My Legion Secrets costs you $60 the first month and then $30 every single month. After that, if you want 1 account, 2 accounts, 3 accounts, really up to you. I personally have 1 account at the moment, and when I can afford it, I will go to another account and so on and so forth. But it's really up to you how you want to start. Like I said, $30 every single month to maintain. Otherwise, the first month will cost you $60 because there's a one-time setup fee of $30 as well. That's the pricing. Now, leveraging tools like ChatGPT is important, or a Claude AI is important. Why? Because I believe that it's going to help you start to write your emails in a better way. Now, in the past, or in the playlist, I've shared with you strategies using the sales page strategy or so on and so forth. But basically, I want to really emphasize we're in 2024. You should be leveraging these tools. Okay, do not be afraid of these tools. Start to learn these tools, because if you don't learn these tools and if you don't utilize them on a daily basis and start to teach them, okay, it's gonna evolve. It's not gonna be upright the best thing in the world. It's going to evolve in time. You need to feed these tools and these AI technology with data in order for them to adapt according to how you need it in the future. And it's always a learning. Just so you are learning a skill, the AI is also learning from you. So it's really important what you input to it. Okay, so use these tools and take it as an advantage. That's the first element that I want to say. In doing so, make sure that you're writing really congruent emails more than anything else. Now, advantage on this structure, I'm going to share with you a simple strategy at the end of how you can put these three elements in place using the tools. So make sure you do stick till the very end. But right now, I want to share with you just simply you're using ChatGPT. Okay, so the first element in ChatGPT, what you would be using or how you would be writing your emails, is your subject itself. Okay, after a certain point of time, if you're not focused on your subject, you are not going to know whether you're getting opens or not. Now, I'm sharing with you this Google Doc that I'm using. This is an element that also is very important, but I said before, tools. So I'm looping on together all tools, Google Docs, ChatGPT, so on and so forth. And when you do that, so that's the first element, your tools. The second element is a copy of your email itself. Let me repeat that. First element, tools. Second element, copy of your emails. In 2024, you need to know how to write copy. That's just it. People are getting bombarded left, right, and center with promotional emails all the time. So asking yourself about a subject, asking, looking at your email marketing style. Guys, these are some of them, some emails that I have here. Yes, I've got sales with them, but I don't like the marketing style anymore. So now what I'm doing is I have input in ChatGPT already quite a lot, and now I'm starting to redo my emails. So all of these old ones I basically take and I'll share with you guys the strategy and show you how I rewrite it now as if I would do it and do it myself. Okay, and leveraging ChatGPT or Cloud or any other article tools, AI tools like this. But there are some here which I've written, and yes, I've got sales with them, but I do not like the way I've written them, so I'm changing them up. And this is just really important, and actually by doing so, I'm improving my emails, and I'm also getting more sales as time goes by. So this is just my winning email list that I have, and I suggest you do the same. Your subject is really important because that's what's going to get you clicks. Do not try to clickbait. I'm just saying this already upfront. If you try to clickbait, you're hurting your relationship with your leads in My Lead Secret. Really, imagine how many people are on. They are getting promotional emails from so many people, and so if you try to clickbait them, what is the point? I would say be more real, be more authentic, be more yourself. Show them. If, for example, I write a lot about how to's or how I. Why do I say how I? Because how I achieved a specific thing, I want to show them. So I'm going to be talking about it for myself, why it brings authentic experience. And when you do that, people recognize when you're being authentic and you're sharing from your own experience or not. Which leads me to the second point of the content in the email itself. Or the second element, as I mentioned, is the content of the email, right? So have a story, relatable story that you can share in about a couple of words based on the subject of your email. Let me give you guys an example. Okay, let me just scroll down here. Or let me just scroll down here. Let's look at the last email actually that I wrote, because I asked ChatGPT actually to write a couple of emails for me. So let's just go ahead and check that out. So as you guys can see, maybe not this one right here, not this one right here. Let's go ahead here. So, okay, this is also email writing. I don't want that. Here we go. Step-by-step affiliate marketing, avoid getting overwhelmed. How to avoid overwhelm in affiliate marketing. This is something that I really would talk about to my affiliate marketers, right? So affiliate marketing can be overwhelming. If you try to tackle everything at once, I've been there. Feeling like I need to do it all. But here's the truth: success comes by taking one step at a time. You see, I'm not doing the hype, guys. I'm really focusing on sharing this as my story. I'm just telling them, listen, have you experienced this question? Well, I've done it. But how I got over it is I started breaking down into manageable. I'm giving them an answer already, solution, right? Manageable steps. Everything became clear. I felt less overwhelmed, and this is how I did it, and the course helped me out. Okay, so there's a guideline within the course, but I'm telling not a story, but I'm telling an actionable product, actionable steps. That is something that I personally am doing on a daily basis. So I'm not faking it. I'm talking about it. I talk about how I believe it. And you can see that this is my kind of style of writing, right? But I've taught ChatGPT how to do this. It's going to take you time to do it as well. But this is the elements that I would share with you. Now, just to be crystal clear, I never sent it exactly like this. I did not. I did edit it and I sent this email, okay? So, but I did edit it and it already got me a sale if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it already got me a sale. So after I got this email, edited it, and then sent it, because I believe that there are always certain elements that you would need to add as as yourself, like how you speak. Maybe ChatGPT adds this dash here, but why would you want that? So you need to edit the emails in any case, okay? So content of the email is the second element. It's the second element. The third element specifically related to email marketing and in 2024 would be knowing your product or buying your product. Okay, this will give you the validity to actually write your emails. If you do not have your email product and you don't, oh sorry, you don't have your product that you are sharing or software that you're sharing or whatever you want to talk about, that's going to be a problem at the end of the day, and you're not going to be able to add a clear call to action within your email. So the third point would be a call to action. Let me repeat everything. Tools, first element number one, tools. Element number two is your content itself. And element number three is a strong call to action within your flow. You can have one, two, I would suggest two. These are two call to actions. Now, how do you take all these things? And let's say you're participating in the strategy for some time. I personally have been teaching you guys exactly how to write using ChatGPT for a long time. Let's say you take all the winning emails, you take all these winning emails that you can see right here, and now you start to input them into ChatGPT. Let's say you've written right a lot of emails yourself, you have winning emails, you got sales with them. You now start to add those emails into ChatGPT, and as you guys can see, I basically asked ChatGPT. You can see right here. Actually, let me just go ahead and scroll up. You can see I said, can you add? I think it was yesterday. Yeah, can you please write an email with David writing style about this topic? Okay, so David writing style is something that I created. So I asked ChatGPT, I said, here is all the 10 emails that I have. Okay, data, providing ChatGPT data. Can you analyze it? I first asked ChatGPT to analyze it. Secondly, I said, great. Now take all these elements and create a specific writing style for myself. Name that writing style David writing style. So now I'm telling ChatGPT this, and then each and every single time I have a new email, I add the email, I ask ChatGPT to analyze it and say, can you please add this element and this element into, or can you save this element and this element into my writing style? So now it's learning, it's growing, it's evolving itself. You have to teach ChatGPT to do that. You have to teach Claude to do that. Claude does a better job in my opinion, but ChatGPT is also available. And when you do this structure, what you're doing basically now is creating an avatar of yourself, and through a social media, through a AI network that can now create and write those emails for you, which is saving you so much time in 2024. So leverage these tools, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Go out there, try it yourself, take those winning emails. If you don't have the winning emails yet, then you can check the playlist in the description, see the other strategies that I have, apply those strategies, start to generate those winning emails, because as I mentioned, My Leads and Secrets provides you the leads. Conversion of those leads are on you, are on me. There are no guarantees, but if you take action, it is possible. So try it, do it, give it a month, give it 2 months, give it 6 months, give it 12 months. I would suggest to give it 12 months. Okay. Take that information, input it in the ChatGPT as you go along. Okay. So you can always teach, no matter what you teach ChatGPT, guys, because if you start teaching ChatGPT how to speak like yourself and talk like you and give it examples, it's going to be beneficial for your copywriting journey with affiliate marketing in the long term. So do that and see the benefits long term. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited for the next one. Wednesday's video, I'm specifically going to be talking about how to use System.io for email marketing moving forward. And I hope you guys enjoy that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and cover that in the next video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.